review we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location. And here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 9.2, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Category 3. Category 7. Guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the property is outstanding. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Self-guaranteed dog rooms are available and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this property along with various lease plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. Or more details in the description box. You are If you have one to check out from this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed to our channel yet,